Hi guys, I'm going to share the potato masala recipe. For this potato masala, I'm going to use the sambar masala. Before seeing the recipe, I want to share something about potatoes. Potatoes' native place is South America. It was introduced to Europe by Spanish people in 16th century, and then it was introduced in India by Portuguese in 17th century. In India, mostly cultivating variety is Kufri Jyoti. Let's see the preparation. For this, I'm using 7 number of potatoes. Take even size of potatoes so that you can able to cook evenly. I'm using pressure cooker for boiling the potato. Allow 4 whistle and switch off the gas. Then peel the skin. For easy peeling, one small tip, wash potatoes immediately in cold water. Then peel and chop into a small pieces. Then we have to marinate this with masala. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of oil and toss it well, and then add 1.5 tablespoon of sambar masala. This is the main ingredient, and then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then toss it well so that the masala will spread all over the potatoes. And then allow this to soak for about 15 minutes. When it's soaked well, it tastes better. Now it is soaked well. Then next step is seasoning. For that, take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. After heating up the oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of black gram. And then 4 to 5 number of crushed garlics, and then small amount of curry leaves. Then 1 medium size sliced onion. After adding all these items, fry this for 2 minutes. After completing this, add the soaked potatoes. Now it is almost completed. I'm going to add the potatoes in the pan. After adding the potatoes, add salt for this dish. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt. After adding the salt, mix it well and keep the flame in low. Then close the pan using a lid. Allow this to cook. Please keep the flame in low and cook this for 15 minutes. In the 15 minutes process, we have to mix the vegetable 2 to 3 times. So open the lid and mix the vegetable, then close it and allow this to cook. Repeat this process for 2 to 3 times. This will give the excellent taste to the dish. Now it is almost completed. You can see the perfect potato masala. Now the potato masala is ready to eat. This potato masala goes with curd rice, chapatis, etc. Try this in your home. For this potato masala, traditional sambar masala is the best combination. I already posted the video also. You can check it out. Try this in your home. I hope you all love this video. Thank you for watching this video.